ChatGPT isn't just a buzzword. It's my go-to for career growth, promotions, raises, you name it. These 5 hacks have helped me stand out, get noticed, and get paid. You want the same? Let's get into it. No bullshit, just results. We're diving into 5 ChatGPT hacks that'll take you minutes to set up, but they'll pay off for months. Whether you want to ace reviews, dominate meetings, or build your network, these hacks will help you achieve what you want. So here's hack number 1, the Performance Review Optimizer. First up, turn your achievements into promotion gold. Here's the prompt. ChatGPT, I accomplished your accomplishment. Rewrite this using the STAR method with quantifiable impact and leadership language for my performance review. For example, instead of managed a project, ChatGPT gives you spearheaded a cross-functional initiative, delivered results 3 weeks early, cut costs by 15%, and improved team efficiency. This is what will get you noticed. It seriously works. Hack number 2, the meeting dominator. Never walk into a meeting unprepared again. Before any meeting, use the following prompt. I have a meeting on topic with attendees. Generate 5 insightful questions and 3 strategic talking points that position me as a thought leader. I used this exact prompt before a quarterly review. While everyone else winged it, I actually came up with some good questions and thoughts. Hack number 3, the email authority builder. Transform your emails from ignored to influential. Try the following prompt. Rewrite this email to be more authoritative and action-oriented, but still professional, and then paste your email. Suddenly, your emails go from maybe we could to I recommend we do this by Friday for these 3 reasons. People start listening. Hack number 4, the skill gap assassin. Identify and close skill gaps faster than your competition. Use the following prompt. Based on this job description, paste the job description. What are the top 3 skills I need to develop? And give me a 30-day learning plan for each. I did this for a senior role. ChatGPT identified data analysis as a skill gap. So it mapped out a learning plan. And within a month, I was presenting insights. Hack number 5, the network expansion engine. Build powerful, professional relationships effortlessly. Here's the prompt. Help me write a LinkedIn message to connect with person's title at company. Make it personal, value-focused, and likely to get a response. No more generic connection requests. I've built relationships with VPs and industry leaders, and these connections led to job offers that I wouldn't have had otherwise. So, here's your action plan for implementation. Pick 1 hack, use it this week, and track your results. Add the next hack when you're ready. Don't overwhelm yourself. Consistency beats intensity every time. So, which hack are you trying first? Drop it in the comments. And if you want more proven career shortcuts, hit subscribe. Thanks, guys.